at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have, especially here in their artwork. So they have that laundry guide over there. I think that's already been shown before. And they already had this doll with this dress, and there it is in the yellow. So now we have this is really pretty, this painting. And you have this coffee detailed one here. It's very detailed. So every family has a story. Welcome to ours. That's really nice, guys. So they have this kind here. Very beautiful. Home sweet home. You know, that's always nice. They have the coffee ones, guys. They have two different kinds. Very nice, guys. Then they have this one. I never saw this one here. It's always time for coffee. I don't think I've ever seen that one. So then they have this one. And look, these are nice. This is the crab and this is the lobster. And this is an ostrich. That's really nice. They have this one, this one. Oh, look at this one. That's really pretty, guys. I like that. So let me put these back. Now these paintings over here I think are absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you. I don't want to knock anything down. Look at this picture. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous, guys? Look at this. The ballerinas. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. They have this one. And look at this one. This is her praying. Wow, that artwork I think is absolutely gorgeous. So they have this one here. Guys, look at that. They have this one and then that one. Isn't that nice? I would love to do one whole area wall with these. And then they have this elephant one. I think I'll get that for my daughter. Let's just scan these through to see. So these are the 3.5 by 5 and these are the 4 by 6s. I'm loving that gold one back there. And they have these. These are the silver, and then back there are the wooden ones. But I'll let you know when there's a new style that I see. So then you have these photo albums here. This one says, I'm nuts about you. Farmhouse, I like that one. I like big bunts. Oh my goodness, you can say that wrong. Oh, crepe, that's cute. So they have some of those. They even have these photo mats in white and black. Pretty, look at the detail. So I'm liking those, the white with the gold trim there, but these are regular frames. Okay, and I'm also liking the silver one right here. So they have one of these. Our nest is best, and then the little tiny photo albums. Then look at these. I like the detail to this frame too. They have that kind, and then they have the wooden kind. These usually come in that robin blue, and I think a lighter sand color. So then you have some more of that decor down there. Now I'm noticing they moved some of their crafting stuff over to this section near the photos. So let's take a look. This one says, you are always loved, thankful. That one says, celebrate everything. They have my favorite tags, signs over there. I love those tags. Then they have this kind. I'm starting to like these too because of the shape. Then here's the rainbow one, the dream one. Those are the key with the key hooks. Then they have these, guys. They have roar like you mean it. This is nice for a kid's room. Then they have that tiger one that says cute but fierce, cool and clever. Don't worry, be happy. These are really nice. And then they have these, guys. Remember these? These are really nice. Then they have some of those jewelry. They have a box in my way, so I can't get over there. Then they have these little box ones. I think these were here before. Life begins after coffee. God goes and grind. And then they have these mirrors, guys. These are really cute. This is the whale. They have other ones. And what is this one? Be grateful. Let's see what else it says. Thankful and blessed. So they moved these to a different area here, and I have this box in my way, so I can't show all of them to you. So here's some more. Look at that way, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. Look at that one. And that one. That's nice. So then they have these and those kind right there. So this is Rainbow Chaser. What is this sloth one on a rainbow, and the cat one with the glasses. Then they have these, like, they look like shadow boxes with the cutouts. Dream big, little one. Oh, how nice. I have some of these. Okay, those two are the same. And in this house, we do laughter, hugs, forgive, dream big, do loud, do love, and do family. Then they have some more over there. These are other wooden signs, and then they have some crosses. Let go and let God. And some more down there that says good things are coming. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Trees to scroll through their wall art and their frames and some craft accessories over here. And I'll see you guys in another video.